This is assignment number 6 for database 2. I'm using data grip, which is better than SSMS, so it'll look a little different, and I only have 5 minutes, so I'm going to get right started. Alright, I created 2 tables, T-employee and T-job. T-employee looks like this. Employee ID is the primary key, name's the natural key, and wage is just another attribute. I have 5 employees, Jim, Morgan, Matt, Brandon, Jane. And the job table looks like this. Job ID is the primary key, description is the natural key, and company is the other attribute. Has 5 different jobs. And now let's create the intermediate table for the 2 foreign keys to the job ID and employee ID. Okay, we're going to call this tjob_employee. Make a new column. This is going to be just job_empl_id. This is just the primary key. Alright, now here's the job ID and the employee ID. Now let's add these as foreign keys over here. Tjob, job ID, T-employee, employee ID. Alright, now for employee ID, we're going to have update rule and delete rule set to no action. For job ID, we're going to have the delete rule set to cascade. So let's create that table and let's add some data to it. Okay, I'm going to just add some data here. Job 4, 2. Alright, let's commit that data. So now let's see what happens with these on update and on delete rules that we've set. So first of all, let's go over here. Let's run this query just to see what everything looks like. We have 5 employees. They each have a job, they have a company, and they have a wage. Alright, now just so you all know, employee ID is the primary key, but it's not an auto increment. It is just a manually defined integer. So when I run this, it's not working because of that problem. It's because of the foreign key reference. Alright, so let's try to update T-employee and set employee ID to 42 for Jim. Alright, you can see that didn't work. There is an error. It says the update statement conflicted with the reference constraint tjob_employee_T-employee_employee ID foreign key. So the reason this didn't work is because on update is set to no action for employee ID in the tjob_employee table, and the primary key employee ID is being used as a foreign key in tjob_employee. That's why that didn't work. Now we set on delete to cascade in tjob_employee for job ID. So let's delete a job from tjob and see what happens. We're going to delete the web designer job. Alright, that job is gone. We can verify that by looking at the job table. Web designer job is now gone. And if we select star from tjob_employee, there's only 4 records now where there used to be 5. This is because when the web designer job was deleted from tjob, it also did a cascading delete and removed itself from tjob_employee table because of the cascading delete rule.